Hi there, I'm Mark Coles. I'm Head of Technical Regulations at the IET, and I'm with Jordan Farley from Artisan Electrics. Welcome, Jordan.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. So you have some questions, haven't you, about BS7671?
So, with this whole new chapter around stationary battery storage, I'm really intrigued to know how it's going to affect us as installers. What are the big changes that we're going to see when it comes to how we install battery storage?
Well, we've seen what came through internationally was the IEC document it was IEC 60364-557, and that was setting the standard, if you like, for stationary secondary batteries. Now, since that came out in 2022, we've seen the PAS, the BSI PAS 63100, and in there we've seen lots of, I'm saying lots, but there's a 655, which is all about the positioning of batteries. Don't have them in lofts, don't have them in bedrooms, in escape routes, that kind of thing. So that's where we're going in the future. That's where the PAS, the publicly available specifications, has essentially set the route for where the industry will be going.
So does that mean we're going to finally be able to enforce no batteries in lofts?
Can you imagine lifting them up into the loft?
It happens a lot. It happens a lot. I was looking at one last week that someone was worried about. It happens a lot, so I'll be glad to see it finally in this book.
Don't forget to pre-order your copy of BS7671, and you can get it from the iet.org/gettheregs. And pre-orders available now until the publication date of the 15th of April 2026.